Alright, YouTube. Installing the F Sport grill on my car today. Finally getting rid of this nasty granny junk. It has to go. Cause it's nasty. It's cracked up. It's just not the move, as y'all can see right there. It's not gonna cut it. So doing the unboxing. What is this? That's cat. Hey bro, what? A wine voucher? Say less. Say less. Appreciate that. Okay, that's random. But back to the unboxing. F Sport grill for the 2011 to 15, I believe, ISs. This should be easy. Pretty much just popping out the old one and putting in the new one. So go ahead and get this shown unwrapped. God damn. Oh yeah, much needed. Gonna go ahead and install this. So should be a quick video. This is actually in between the story time I'm doing. My vlog camera died, so I thought while I still got some daylight out here, might as well record this off the GoPro, and we'll finish that jump later. So see ya. Alright YouTube, so back at it again today. Yesterday had to leave to go do some racing, so finishing up the grill installation today. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the Weatherstrip. You don't want to really break these pins, but it's not the end of the world if you end up breaking them. But you want to just basically pull the Weatherstrip over a little so you can get it off the clip and just pull it off. You don't really want to break these. So that's first. That's if you still have the covers for all this. I don't have the covers on mine, so if you do have the covers, you'll have to take all that off first. But start with that, and then oh shit, yeah, start with that. That's first. I'm gonna try and push these clips back in so y'all can see which ones need to pop out. Hopefully you can see. Hold on. Ugh. Of course there's no light. Hold up. Alright. Yeah, you guys are not gonna have much. Alright, you can see that little clip right there. You need to pop those out. Once you get the top one, the ones on the side and the bottom, those silver things y'all can see, those are the clips you're gonna need to pop out. Once you get the top one on one of the side, that whole side will be easy. Just trying not to use too much force to break it, but look, they pop out pretty easy. I'm gonna just slightly pull the grill, and hopefully y'all seen that one come out just now. Hold up. Yeah, that one came out. This one's out. This one on the bottom, that one is out. I'm gonna move on to this one. I don't even think these other ones on mine are even in. Alright, let me get this one out real quick before I move on to the bottom ones. Okay, for the next step is gonna be not being a dumbass like me and waiting till it's 30 degrees outside and cold as shit to do an install and breaking stuff. So once you take the Weatherstrip off and you unscrew this bolt with the 10mm up top, there are clips on the side, as you can see right here, that you want to push down and take out. If you're an idiot like me, you'll end up breaking a few. Luckily I only broke one, so I'm gonna be rocking with the broken grill for a minute. Let's go. Let me not do the same as dark under the hood, but let me not do the same for this side and the ones on the bottom. When you're taking the old grill out, and the clips on this joint are like real fucking cheap and they're annoying as fuck. So just try and be careful, don't break it. So got this side out. The way I did that was just pushed it up and in. I don't want to break any more clips. So now we're just gonna slightly pull on this side and get those clips out. And boom, just like that, the grill is removed. So the clips clips line up into each one of these. You'll see them when you're actually looking under there. It's hard for me to get a good angle on the camera, but if you need to, especially for this screw because it was rusty, and the screws that are on the back of this grill, make sure you have some TV blaster or some WD-40 to loosen them up for you and let that sit for a little. But let me show y'all how it looks without the grill. Actually, it looks alright. Hold up. Let me. That's alright. I might leave it like that. You see the twins on the twin turbos. But let me finish this install. So the next part, what you're gonna need to do is these screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that you're gonna have to take out. And there's the silver part is the housing. I just plasti dipped mine. It needs to be plasti dipped again. I don't give a fuck about this housing. I might just get a new one because it's fading in certain areas. But you unscrew those to get the this black one out, and then you're gonna put in your new one with those same screws. And yeah, reinstall is real easy too. So see y'all then. Alright, so boom, put the jump back in there, screw your 10mm back in. If you broke clips, you're SOL like me, and you gotta buy a new housing. So keep that in mind, because I broke clips. Don't do this in the bear code. Sound like I'm from England, but put your Weatherstrip, your crusty old Weatherstrip back on. Look like this jump was getting sun-dried like a raisin. Go ahead, throw that jump back on and close your hood. Your hood should properly close now. Or you broke it like me. Yep, there we go. Alright, hood's closed. And that looks much better. Much fucking better. Crusty old Weatherstrip. Let me go ahead and tuck that in, but it looks better. Start her up too, warm her up for you. Oh, can't see the inside. It's dirty. Dirty. That was weak. Oh, copyright. Music down. Oh, so honestly looks much better. Let me get inside the car so y'all can actually hear me. This bitch is loud as fuck. But much better. Ugh. There we go. There we go. Yeah, much better. Battery about to die, but about to go get some photos of the car and shit, and go get into some other nonsense. So I will see y'all in the next video.